ओके गाइस, मेरा नाम अनुराग पांडे है और पिछले 25 सालों से रेडियो कर रहा हूँ। तो मैं ये जानता हूँ कि पैसों से ही पैसे बन सकते हैं, मेहनत करके कोई पैसे नहीं कमा सकता है। ये मैंने बहुत पहले जान लिया था। दुनिया में हर चीज़ जानना ज़रूरी नहीं है, लेकिन ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि इस चीज़ को जानता कौन है। तो अगर इस चीज़ को सोनम जानती है, उतना टाइम दे सकती है और हम सबके पैसे मैनेज करते हो, भाई तू ही कर ले, है ना।
Anurag ji is my first customer. His UCC is W Alpha 01. He is the number one customer. ठीक है।
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सबको इंट्रोडक्शन होना चाहिए, तो सर एक बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन करेंगे। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Morning, my name is Anand. I'm a banker by profession.
So this is Raj Sangvi and I'm into jewelry retail business.
I'm Sanya and I'm advocate by profession.
Good morning everyone, I am Major General Saxena. I am retired from the army.
My name is Prithviraj Jadhav, third year student from VIT Pune, and we are here from Pune today.
I am Anand Mohan Sahai, retired principal Government Polytechnic from Lucknow.
Myself Manaswini. I'm a recent graduate, so I'm also looking forward to enter into Quant. It's so nice to see your role model in front of my.
Thank you. They're coming from Hyderabad.
Yeah, we came from Hyderabad. Thank you.
I'm Lieutenant Commander Swaraj. I am presently working in the Indian Navy and I'm here with my father.
My name is Commodore Rajneesh Verma.
Hi, I am Bautik, chemical engineer and a management graduate.
So hi, I'm Sayuj Peswani, CFA.
My name is Amit Agarwal. I have been in the banking industry for last 30 years.
My name is Varun Sangvi. I'm probably the most junior person here.
My name is Jay and I'm like an investment banker by profession.
I'm Dr. Barkha Peswani. I think many people will relate to when I came into the market. It was just that I wanted little more than FD because as a doctor we had that in mind. So with that intention I had joined the market, but in the first few months when I saw the mid caps giving me 20% in a day sometimes, so I just definitely I started to play rather than invest, which made me a forceful investor. Because what used to happen when you see your money, actually you have seen the height, then that rate never came, so I had to invest in that. Then my son saw कि ये तो बहुत हो गया, now we have to put her in right hands, and this is how he told me, Mama, she's a dynamic girl and I've seen her grow, so you will enjoy. So then he knows that definitely that will be more safer, and today I'm heavily invested in it.
I run my own NBFC. I've been a mutual fund investor for almost 25 years now. I tested waters with small cases of RITE for a couple of months, I would think, before I decided to shift to the PMS route. I've been a PMS customer since February this year, so it's been a very short 5 months. But I've been very happy. It's a very quite matured the way I see it. I'm looking forward to more right decisions in future.
Currently in the process of managing my own money. Invested in PMS of Sonam about 3-4 months back. The underlying premise is the Indian economy, which is 4 trillion currently, is anticipated to grow to 25 trillion in 20 years. So if that happens, I mean the equity market should grow at least at 15% per annum CAGR, and PMS should do even better. So hopefully we are in the right hands.
This is my first seminar attending with my husband, giving him company and learning about finance so that मैं backseat में पीछे ना रह जाऊँ.
We are very new to the fund investments and we are keen to know about what is going on in the PMS as well. So this is our first seminar attending.
I've been in the Navy for 39 years and obviously जब government job है, कुछ पैसे मिले, and we found Sonam to be really very exciting person, and Quant is the way forward, I guess.
चलिए एक छोटा सा presentation है. Wanted to give you an overview of how the PMS is going. It's been 11 months. Obviously, there has been a little bit volatility in the last couple of days. Everybody has seen that, but still we are doing very strong. Have touched around 76% returns in these 11 months. Doing extremely well for our customers. Right now our AUM is close to 220 crores. Extremely thankful for everybody who came in at the beginning, right? I don't have to introduce all our strategies क्योंकि सबको पता है हमारी factor fund है जिसमें close to 11 months we have delivered 76% returns. इसके अलावा हमारे पास अल्फा प्राइम है जिसमें क्लोज टू 53% रिटर्न्स हैं. सब ने ही बेंचमार्क को बीट करा हुआ है और हमारी फिलॉसफी जो है आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट ड्राइव्स इट. द बेनिफिट विद राइट रिसर्च इज कि हम लोग कोई भी डिसीजन एड हॉक नहीं लेते हैं. इट्स ऑल सिस्टमैटिक. बहुत सारी स्टैटिस्टिकल रिसर्च करते हैं. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग कि people from my team are also here. You guys can meet them. So we do research in trying to identify कि अलग-अलग theme कौन से हैं market में and how is the potential in each of these themes. तो हाँ, we are trying to identify factors like let's say momentum में कैसी performance आ रही है, value में कैसी performance आ रही है, quality में कैसी performance आ रही है, and depending on the market scenario, we are shifting across them. We use very deep research in trying to understand each of these factors, right? So India में there's no standard definition जो आप इसकी fit कर सकते हैं. तो while quant is very very well known across the world, in India you have to do it in a specific way. So we will do deep research in trying to understand how to do momentum in India, how to do quality in India, and try to even explore other factors, right? कि भाई how are estimates impacting the market, how are sentiments impacting the market, all that, and combine them to come up with a better strategy. One strong point of our strategy is not just performance अच्छी रही है, but risk management पे we have a very strong focus. So for example, this June we did very good risk management. One of my clients is not here, Mr. Kadam. He was the one who was guiding me a lot while doing that risk management. Unfortunately, due to the rains, he couldn't come. So we were the only people who hedged or were sitting on cash when that correction happened. So return तो देनी ही है, but along with it, risk management is also a big focus. And I think investors are happy if we are saving money during riskier times, right? So that is a very very big focus for us. A little bit about the market, I know मतलब कि थोड़ा तो बनता है. Right now अगर आप देखेंगे तो जो price momentum है, जो trend based factor है, it has worked really well in the last 1 year, right? उसके अलावा क्वालिटी और वैल्यू भी अच्छा कर रहा है, बट मोमेंटम बहुत ज़्यादा चला है. और अभी पिछले महीने में वी आर सीइंग सम करेक्शन इन मोमेंटम. इफ यू हैव अ लुक एट इट, थोड़ा मोमेंटम में दिस अ स्लो डाउन, बट स्टिल यू आर सीइंग क्वालिटी एंड value still stays strong. If you look at our portfolio right now, it's a very healthy mix of different things, right? You have infrastructure bets along with some consumption bets, along with maybe some automobiles, right? So very diversified portfolio. Even recently we've added chemicals, textiles, and it's all very surprising when it comes out from the model. It's proving to be really good, right? So this is what I was saying, ki if you look at it, the factors performance, momentum has done extremely well, but we are seeing some correction before the budget. I think this is short-term correction, and other factors are staying much more stable compared to it, but I think very soon we'll see recovery in this. In terms of outlook, we are very positive. Another big event is coming, which is the rate cuts, right? Rate cut is something that we are all thinking about. People expect that in September there will be a rate cut, and if the rate cut comes, which means money comes to equities, right? It comes out from the dollar into equities. So there will be a very good liquidity flow. Another interesting theme that we are seeing is the FMCG sector, right? So recently we've added HUL, we have added KRBL, right? You must have seen a while back in one of our portfolio, we've added L&T Foods. I think we will see that theme pick up, right? So that is one expectation that we have. We also, love the theme of green energy transition. So you will see many stocks in our portfolio. Cummins, CESC, Dixon has some presence there, right? So a lot of techno engineering, Kirloskar engineering, all of these stocks have presence in that space. So we like that theme. We are seeing interest in private sector banks right now. Public sector banks have grown a lot. Private sectors have not grown that much, and we think very soon private sector banks will take over and maybe do a better performance. So that's what we are seeing. If you look at the performance of Federal Bank, IDBI Bank, these banking stocks have done really well. And one big question is defense, railways. I think some of the our investors, we were talking about it. You have not taken very aggressive bets in that segment. Recently, we did have a lot of presence in that segment. We have cut it down, and we have a couple of people from defense segment here. They will tell us better, but see, the valuations have become a little bit high, but fundamentally order books are definitely strong. But you have to be cautious given that very high valuations, things can move very fast. Very good allocation across the different factors, different sectors. So we expect it to be stable, whatever happens in the market. That is all I had to talk about. Get some coffee and we'll talk about other things.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.